Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to film this video for you guys. I feel like it's a good time because that whole new year, new me thing is still going, but it's kind of settling down. And now is the time that people are ready to hustle. So if you are looking for a way to make some extra money on the side or have some side hustles that are actually worth your time, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have compiled a list of 5 side hustles that are actually gonna make you money and are totally worth your time. There's a couple that are more sure than others, and there's some that'll take longer and some that are immediate, but I have a whole list ready for you guys, so I am ready to just share them with you. That being said, this video is not sponsored in any way. I will have links to everything down below. Some of them are my own personal links, other ones are just links for the website, but this is not sponsored. No one knows I'm making this video. It's just me sharing my tips with you on how I side hustle and make some extra cash. So my first idea is Dosh. If you guys have not heard of Dosh, it is this crazy app that's going around and has for about a couple weeks. And what they do is they're an Ebates app. So they're kind of like Ibotta or Ebates, where they give you money when you shop with them. But the catch is they are doing $15 referrals. So if you sign up and link one of your cards, they give you $5, and you only link a card so that in the future, if you were to buy something off the app or through the app, that's the card that they would use. They don't get your information or anything. This is just so you get the $5 guaranteed. Then if you share your link and refer anybody to it, you get $15 until January 21st. So I'm gonna show you guys mine and show you that this is legit. Okay, so this is my Dosh app. Sorry, it's super bright. So I'm clicking the home button, and right up top it says $155. I've had this app for about a week and a half, and I've been sharing it with my friends on Facebook. I have made $155 cash that'll just go straight to my PayPal and then right into my bank account. So again, they don't have any of my information. They just have my PayPal, but I did link a card, so I got the $5 and was eligible to get the $15 referral bonus. It does take 1 to 2 business days for the money to show up or to get the referral email that it went through and that somebody did sign up, but you're able to track that right here once it loads. So it shows people have signed up, the amounts that I've made. It says $45 bonus for sharing with 3 people, so-and-so signed up, $100 lifetime cash back, $15 referral, so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. It just keeps going down and shows you all the people that have signed up and everything. And then you'll get an email giving you a rundown of all of it, so you know who you've gotten paid for and everything like that. I would say Dosh is definitely a side hustle that's worth your time. And like I said, it only runs until the 21st of January 2018. But after that, you do get $5 for signing up and linking a card and $5 for every referral. The second one is Heartbeat. If you guys don't know what Heartbeat is, then you probably don't follow me on Instagram. What Heartbeat is it's a company that works with brands and works with influencers on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, and they link you with companies so you can try out their products or you can try out their jewelry, an app, or whatever it is. You post about it and you get paid a flat rate for that one post. So a couple examples are ones like this. I had a company called Isabel Bond, and I worked with them, so I posted a picture about one of their rings and just talked about it in my own words, own things, everything like that, and I got paid $15 for that one picture. I also did another one for an app and I got $15 for that. So Heartbeat is amazing and anybody can do it. You just have to sign up and post your audition post. If you sign up using my link below, then it'll send you an email of everything you need to do. And then you post your audition post, and then they start letting you receive campaigns that you apply for. And the way to apply for a campaign is just to click, I want to be part of this campaign. Then they'll email you in a couple days and tell you if you got it or not. And based on your followers and your engagement, then they gauge how much money they pay you. So I have friends who have 15, I have friends who have 10, I have $15 per post, and it's a great way for, if you post once a week, you get an extra $15 for gas, for food, for spending, for savings, whatever it is, for posting something. Plus, it grows your personal follows on your Instagram, which is awesome, and it boosts your engagement because you're posting with brands, you're following people, you're interacting, and you're building your own personal name and your Instagram, plus you're getting paid for it. And like I said, it's a free app. Anybody can download it, so make sure to check out that link below too. My third one is YouTube. Obviously, if you're watching, then you probably understand the gist of YouTube. But anybody can start a YouTube channel as long as you have an email linked to like Google and then you start a YouTube channel, you can make videos on anything and you start making revenue based on ads. Of course, this is not a guaranteed, nor is it very fast money unless you go viral, but if it's something you're interested in and money sounds like a good little perk, then definitely consider making a YouTube channel that you're passionate about and sharing the things that you love, doing what you love, and making videos. And as you're more genuine and you're being yourself, your channel will grow and so will your funds. And I just love YouTube. I do not do it for the money. I have a full-time job. I have lots of side hustles. YouTube is definitely something that I'm so passionate about and I would love to be my full-time job, but it's more of my hobby and my passion right now, and I just want to share that with everybody. If you're interested in a YouTube channel, the funds do come, but it's not guaranteed and it is not very fast money. But I would definitely say if it's passion that you're looking for, this is a side hustle that you should definitely do. My next and final two are survey sites, and I've been doing a ton of research on these, and these are the two best that I found, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. So the first one is Survey Junkie, and I'm sure everybody's heard about it. They have a really great reputation. And the surveys tell you exactly how long they're gonna take. So if you only have 5 minutes to do a survey, do a 5-minute one. If you have 10, 20, 30 minutes, then you can do those ones too. They also have a great payout. The only downside of Survey Junkie is that they don't come with a sign-up bonus like the next one that I'm gonna tell you about, but they do make some pretty good surveys. And I know people who make $12 to $18 an hour doing surveys, and I would say that's pretty good. That's what people who have full-time jobs make. So if you have the time and if you're just hanging out in the summer or on winter break or whenever after school or whatever, then this is a great one to try, because if you have the time, then you definitely can make some money. If you stick to the higher paying surveys, you can make $12 to $18. It's not something that only people who've done it for forever can get. If you stick to the higher paying ones, you can definitely get that too. Some other things are that they have awesome customer service that are always willing to help you. You definitely know how long the surveys are gonna take, and they always have new surveys coming and refreshing, so you're never feeling bored or like you don't have anything to do. The fifth one that I'm talking about is called Vindale Research. They do have a $2 sign-up bonus, and I've heard that people have made about $75 per one survey. Those ones probably take a little bit longer, so it probably evens out to about $10 to $12 an hour, which is still great and what a lot of people make with their jobs. So some of the great things about Vindale Research is that they have a lot of surveys, either low paying or high paying. So that kind of differs on how much time you want to spend on these surveys, but they do have a variety, so you can definitely choose. They also have the $2 bonus like I told you about when you sign up and verify your email and complete your profile. They pay out one time every month on the last day of the month, which could be good, could be bad. If you're looking for instant cash, then probably try something like Dosh or Heartbeat, but this one gives you some extra monthly income. So if you're looking to help pay for your bills or to have some money in the savings, then this is a great way because it pays out once. So then once you get that money, it just goes straight into your savings or wherever you want to put it, because you're not getting it constantly every time you finish a survey. So you're not just finding $10, $5, $6 anywhere you are. All payments are awarded in cash, and the rough potential is about $10 to $12 per hour. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed my 5 side hustles that are definitely worth your time. If you know of any more, please share them in the comments below so we can continue this side hustle community. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some of it useful. If you did, make sure to tell me below, and if you use any of my links, feel free to comment down below or message me, because I would love to know that you used one of my links, and just let me know if you guys love them or not a big fan. Make sure to check out Dosh absolutely first, because the $15 bonuses only go until the 21st. So the sooner you sign up, the sooner you can start getting the $15 referral bonuses and making that instant cash. I hope you guys enjoyed again. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!